Welcome to our washing machine face-off. Today we're comparing two compact washing machines, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Nixod Portable Washing Machine. We'll explore their features, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to capacity, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a total of 13 pounds, with 8 pounds for washing and 5 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads compared to the Nixod, which has a capacity of 15 liters, but is primarily designed for smaller items, such as delicates and baby clothes. If you need to wash more items at once, the Super Deal may be the better choice. In terms of design, the Super Deal features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can be a big time saver. However, it is bulkier and less portable. On the other hand, the Nixod portable washing machine has a folding design, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to store, perfect for those with limited space. Both machines are semi-automatic, requiring manual intervention, but they are designed for ease of use. The Super Deal is straightforward with its separate compartments for washing and spinning, while the Nixod is designed for quick and easy operation, especially for small loads. However, users have noted that the Nixod may require pre-treatment for stains, which could affect its overall convenience. In conclusion, both the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Nixod Portable Washing Machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The best choice depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize capacity and simultaneous washing, the Super Deal is ideal. If portability and space saving are more important, the Nixod is a great option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.